Is your heart pounding faster than your car's engine when you hit the gas pedal? Picture this. You're accelerating down the road, but instead of smooth sailing, your car starts shaking violently, leaving you puzzled and anxious. Don't hit the panic button just yet. Let's dive into the root causes, potential solutions, and regain that smooth ride you deserve. Experiencing violent shaking in your car during acceleration can be alarming and potentially dangerous. It's crucial to address this issue promptly to ensure your safety on the road and prevent further damage to your vehicle. Several factors could be contributing to this unsettling phenomenon, ranging from minor issues to more serious mechanical problems. Common causes: wheel alignment. Misaligned wheels can cause uneven tire wear and lead to shaking, especially during acceleration. Tire issues. Worn-out tires, uneven tire pressure, or tire imbalance can result in vibrations, particularly when speeding up. Engine misfire. A misfiring engine caused by faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, or fuel injectors can cause your car to shake violently under acceleration. Faulty suspension. Worn-out shocks, struts, or other suspension components can't absorb road imperfections effectively, resulting in shaking when accelerating. Drivetrain problems. Issues with the drivetrain, such as a worn-out CV joint or failing universal joint, can manifest as shaking during acceleration. Potential solutions: wheel alignment and balancing. Visit a reputable auto shop to have your wheels aligned and balanced to ensure proper tire contact with the road. Tire inspection. Check your tires for signs of wear and tear, and maintain proper tire pressure. Replace worn-out tires and consider rotating them regularly. Engine tune-up. Schedule a comprehensive engine tune-up to address any misfires, replace faulty components, and ensure optimal engine performance. Suspension check. Have a professional inspect your suspension system for any worn or damaged parts and replace them as necessary. Drivetrain inspection. If drivetrain issues are suspected, have a mechanic inspect and repair or replace any faulty components to restore smooth acceleration. Don't let the fear of a shaky ride hold you back from enjoying the open road. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and solutions to common car problems. Share this video with friends and family who might be facing similar issues, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Together, let's drive towards smoother, safer journeys ahead.